they like to use different material plate for their heating bed, but I've settled on the FlashForge I think it's called polycarbonate surface, and sometimes I also use PEI, and there is this company from Singapore. It's called Mica Easy Peel, and they sent me this build plate. I've never used this before. As you can see, this one is just like my usual FlashForge polycarbonate sticker, but at the back they use the magnetic, soft magnetic instead of the just the sticker. And the build plate is pretty heavy. I think it's 1.6 kilogram. And actually, I also bought the soft magnet online, and you can just put the FlashForge polycarbonate sticker on the top of it and make one for yourself. So, and if I'm not using the FlashForge sticker, I can switch to the PI with the magnetic sticker, like this. But of course thinner PEI. So it will be like this. It comes with the instructions, so I will go through the instruction and show you how I put it in. So first we got to move the Z-axis up so that I can change the build plate. And I don't know for other people's printer, but on my Creator Pro, first you gotta go to the menu, and then you will select the utilities, and then you go down and you can find the draw mode, and then you go to the Z-axis, and you just leave it all the way up. Of course, when we're doing with electronics, first I'm going to unplug the power cord. And I have this selfie lights here. They have the adjustable brightness and with the built-in battery. When I work, I usually put it inside so that I can see better. So I'm going to put it underneath. Okay, let's follow the instruction. So first, off main power, disconnect power supply first, then heated build plate wires. The second part is push the build plate down and compress the spring. And next, turn the screw knobs clockwise and remove it. And then lift off the build plate and remove it from the printer. And then I'm going to peel off the polycarbonate sheet from here. I think the magnetic will definitely help because you see it's so hard to peel. But with magnetic, you just with the magnet you just swap back and forth. So maybe I will try with the needle nose plier. Some residue of the glue, I think. And next thing is use M4 Allen key to unscrew all the screws. Alright? And then place the new build plate on top of the heated board on the hot zone. On the hot zone side, make sure the countersunk holes are facing you. Skewer all the screws and nuts back in place. Alright. So these are the countersunk holes and it has to line up on the build plate. So like this, and I have to put all the screws and nuts back on the plate. And the next thing I'm going to do is place the new build plates back onto the carrier with springs aligned to the holes. Alright? So next I'm going to place and align the Mica EasyPeel polycarbonate board to the plate view. Lastly, we connect the heated build plate and installation is done. We calibrate extruder and you are ready to print. The leveling is done. Let me try a test print. So that's it. As you can see, it works great. I'm not paid by them to endorse their product. I did get a free build plate out of it though. If you're interested in buying one, I'm going to put the link in the comment section. Thanks a lot for watching.